Hi, I'm Jamie Stewart, president of Mega Media Factory. We're an AV integration, workflow consultant, and professional creative services company based here in Erie, Pennsylvania. We provide services to the media and entertainment, corporate, government, house of worship, and education verticals, among others. And we're proud to have partnered with Shift Media to offer the industry-leading MediaSilo platform to our customers. Something that any studio can relate to is managing your assets, workflow, and feedback in a secure environment. Do you email links to videos hosted on file sharing sites? Get feedback from stakeholders in various formats? And how do you go about keeping someone from accidentally releasing a not-for-publicly released project? Sound familiar? Sure did for us. This is one of the many reasons why we love MediaSilo. We're able to easily manage internal and external sharing, get customers to review and provide feedback immediately on the platform, while presenting our work on beautifully branded portfolios, all in an organized, safe, and secure platform. Really, it empowers our teams and clients to focus on the creative and not get bogged down on the process. We're proud and excited to be a part of the MediaSilo family, combining our years of creative and workflow experience with a platform that's built for the demands of the video production world. Learn more by visiting us online at megamediafactory.com.